Hi, I'm Nick Baker. I'm an author, a broadcaster, but more importantly than all that, I'm a naturalist. And this is my living world. These kits have a bigger picture to them. It's about the animals. It's about they're the real stars in this story. And it's by taking these animals that we take for granted, whether it be a ladybird, a spider, a snail, whatever it is, and bringing them closer to us, making us look, or making younger people look at them in a different way, and make them appreciate what they are as creatures, what they do out there in the bigger world. And it's been proven those tiny little positive sort of seminal experiences in a child's life can lead to much bigger things, like it did with me. So these aren't toys, these are stepping stones towards a lifelong adventure and a lifelong appreciation and value in the natural world. Interested? Still curious? Want to know more? Well, check out the kit and start your own adventure.